Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, we're about to get into this ready to wear collection wig by Mayvenn. So I hope y'all ready, because this is going to be a fun one.
It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore.
Okay, so this is the Mayvenn ready to wear collection packaging, and let's just take a minute to just look at this packaging. Okay, like this is super cute. So this wig is the body wave side part lace number 2 chocolate brown in the 15-inch. So basically what you do, it has a little tab here, and you just lift that up. It's magnetic. Ooh. So it has the Mayvenn paper here, which is really pretty, and it's lined with the Mayvenn green satin lining. We have another instruction book, of course, and this one is tailored for the ready to wear wigs. So it's going to have information of how to care for the ready to wear collection. So this is the unit, and I got it in a number 2 because I wanted to kind of see what it was like. This is a you wrap this around your head so that it can help you keep your wig on. It comes with a wig cap and of course the unit, which they have hooked onto the lace. Okay, so I removed that. It has all kind of stuff in here protecting it, foam, paper, everything. So this is what the inside looks like. Different from the lace front. This one has a comb in the back, and because this one is ready to wear, it doesn't have like a big parting space. The part space is just enough for what you ask for. So this one is the side part, so that's all you get is a side part. So if you ask me, if you know you want to be able to switch it up, definitely go for the lace front and not the side part. If you always gonna wear a side part, then go for the side part. So this is the parting. Pretty much looks the same. So I might pluck it a little bit or something, but this is what it looks like, y'all, and this is the number 2. So it's a little brighter. Hope y'all can see it. I'm in front of my window, so the sunlight should be kind of showing you what the number 2 looks like a little bit. But these are the curls, and it is body wave, so I'm curious to see after I wash it, what it will look like since it's ready to wear. So this one we're going to be putting on fresh out of the box. So let's get started. Good morning. It is another day. So let's get into this wig. So just to recap, they sent me this wig grip, and this you put around your head, and it's going to help keep the wig on. So of course I showed you guys all of that already. I'm just going to put it on so you guys can see what it looks like. And typically I wash these units and all of that, but because this one is ready to wear, I have decided that I'm probably not going to wash it. I'm just going to put it right on since it's supposed to be ready to wear. And in another video, I'm going to wash it and all of that. Now this wig is extra snug. Golly. I feel like I don't even need an elastic band with this wig. It's so tight, y'all. Ooh. And it does have a comb. It has a comb in the back. So the frontal units have 2 combs on the side, and the ready to wear has a comb in the back. And the straps in the back, it's on the very last one. Yeah, this is very snug. So I think I'm going to put this on. I might try it without the elastic band and see after I cut the lace off. Try it without the elastic band and then see, because it's kind of snug, a little snug. And looking at this wig, I kind of want to wash it because right now it's a little all over the place. But in the instruction manual, it said put like some leave-in conditioner on it. So I think I'm going to do that. So let me get into some makeup and then we can figure out what we're going to do about this wig. Okay? So I'm finally back to do this. I just did this look in an online makeup class. So if y'all are interested in doing a one-on-one makeup session with me where we can go over, you know, full face, brow application, all of that, send me a message, let me know. So I thought this would be the perfect time for me to show y'all this wig because it has literally been weeks since I filmed the beginning part of this video. Okay, so today I'm going to be putting on the ready to wear unit. So this one I am not washing, and the other one I already have it washed. So that video will come quite soon. So I have literally not done anything to this from the last time that I just showed it to you in the previous clip. So I'm gonna cut the lace off on camera for you all. So can y'all see those knots? Can y'all kind of see like where I'm cutting at? So y'all see we got a little pinch of lace there. So that's what I'm gonna do. Okay, so I cut the lace. I'm going to leave the combs and stuff in because this is the ready to wear. So this will be how it will be when you guys order it and cut the lace off. So this is the lace that I cut off. Now I'm going to, and this cap came with the wig. They sent 2 of these with the wig. So I just popped one of these on. And I'm going to put some makeup around it. And I'm going to put some inside of the wig as well. All right, now I'm gonna put the wig on, and I have the back straps here. And the ready to wear made, if you want like a snug wig, I would recommend the ready to wear. I feel like the frontal units are a little looser. Of course, if you have like a big head, which is nothing wrong with having a big head, I would go the custom route. But if your head is kind of like you know, average size or something, I think you can get away with one of the pre-made factory wigs from the website. So this is the unit. The makeup, putting the makeup on the inside of there looks really good. I'm sliding the comb in the back under my cap, and y'all know how I feel about wearing combs, so yeah, it's kind of weird. Now, one thing I will say, this little flap here, this makes me want to add an elastic band into it. But as we discussed, we are doing ready to wear, so with minimal anything. So I'm gonna start brushing this out. Okay, so this is basically what it looks like out of the box onto my head and comb through. I personally feel like no wig straight out the box is ready to put on. I would definitely you know, like to go in here with a hot comb and kind of give this some direction. That's why I like to wash my wigs, so that I can set it and let it air dry the way that I'm going to wear it. So I will put my part in and then comb the hair like away from the lace, so that when it's dry, it's set. Okay, and I'm gonna show you the other wig that I did wash. This is what it looks like. So you can see this is already ready. You know, I can just put it on and go. So if y'all haven't seen this one, make sure y'all check that one out. Obviously it has the lace on it, so at this time I haven't put it on yet, but maybe you are watching this video and this one is out, so make sure y'all check that out. So with this one, I definitely want to wash it so that I can do all of that, and I definitely want to add an elastic band. So although this is a ready to wear wig, I do think some steps need to take place for more security. I'm probably going to take the combs out of this like I did the other one and add an elastic band to keep this flat down. So those are some steps that I like to take to make my wig extra secure. But if you look at the lace, you can see how where I put that the powder. When it's on my head, it looks good. So this one definitely, I think, doesn't have any plucking going on around the hairline. With the frontal units, the hairline is lighter, meaning when it's ventilated, as you get closer to the edge, they start using one strand. So even if you don't pluck the frontal units, it looks okay. But with this one, the hair goes right to the edge. So here, let me put it on my skin so y'all can see. Y'all see how it's not giving a pluck effect at all? So if you don't mind this look, of course you can wear it like this, but if you want it to be a little bit more natural, I would definitely recommend plucking. The only thing about the ready to wear units, this is all the lace that you get, so you can't go crazy on the plucking, you know what I'm saying? So with our ready to wear wigs, we have like bobs and like asymmetrical bobs and stuff like that. But for me personally, I like the frontal units because it's more versatile, you know. You can put the part wherever you want to put it, stuff like that. But the ready to wear, that's for you ladies who always wearing that part on the side no matter what the day is. So that's what I would recommend for you ladies. So when I wash this, I think it's gonna be even better to my liking. But I really like the wig. It's really pretty. I love the curls that are already in here. I do want to wash it to see if the curls will still look like this after it's washed. But yeah, I don't know if I want to do the baby hair and lay it down and all that, because I want this up. I need this to be going toward the back. Like that. And then I need to pluck it so it can look really snatched, you know what I'm saying? And you can definitely get you like a spray bottle and some water to kind of help you mold it. But these little ear tabs right here, I'm gonna have to add an elastic band right here, and that way it's gonna hold this bad boy down like that. So let me know what you guys think about this wig in its ready to wear state. So even just putting that clamp right there kind of you know, was giving me that look that I want. So let me know what you guys think about this unit. I'll have the link below to the unit so you guys can go purchase it. I love these curls. Oh, this is so pretty. It's a nice, like really pretty wig. So let me know what y'all think. Of course, my Mayvenn link and everything will be below, so y'all can go on over there and grab y'all some bundles or some of these pre-made wigs if y'all want a custom wig. Serious inquiries only. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Leave your suggestions below. This is what it looks like fresh out of the box, as it is a ready to wear wig. So yeah, let me know what y'all think. Hope y'all have a blessed day. Make sure y'all stay safe, stay prayed up, stay safe, and it's a wrap. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.